Classify the quadrilateral whose vertices are A, -4, 0, B, -2, 4, C, 3, 4, and D, 6, 0. First step is to plot the points. You want to make sure you have graph paper so you can make a nice graph here. So don't be lazy about that. So the first point A is -4, 0 right there. B is -2 and then 4. C is 3, 4. And D is 6, 0. Okay, so now I'm going to connect the vertices and we'll see if we can figure out what type of quadrilateral we have. Okay, now it looks, based on the relationships here, that it might be a trapezoid. Now, for a trapezoid to exist, we need to have exactly one pair of parallel sides. So BC and AD will need to have the same slope. Now BC is horizontal, so I'm going to say the slope for BC is 0. Horizontal lines have 0 slope. And the slope for AD also equals 0. Okay, so we have one pair of parallel sides. BC and AD are parallel. Now what about AB and CD? They don't look parallel, and maybe you could just say, oh, well, they're not parallel. But I'm just going to figure out the slopes here just to verify. Slope of AB equals, and remember in geometry we never go by what it looks, you have to prove things. So AB, to go from A to B, you go up 4 and right 2, so the slope is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Now the slope of CD, let's see, that one goes down 4 and right 3, so it's -4/3. Now 2 is not equal to -4/3. So the slopes of AB and CD are not the same, so it's not a parallelogram. It's definitely just a trapezoid. So I'm going to say trapezoid. Now it's very important that you go through the process and compare the slope criteria here. Don't just draw it on the graph and then say, oh, it looks like a trapezoid. You actually have to go through the proof process here.